Hey guys, back at it with another video for you guys. Looks like we got the part in. So we will be doing a little bit of a install video and review on this product to see how well it performs and if it's really worth the money that I spent on this thing. So here we are. Finally got the pedal commander. Man. About to install it on the 2020. Let's go. Actually, some clips up in here that we've got to get off. Here's one. We've got another one back off in here. This one's being a little bit more of a pain, so let me get it and get back at it with y'all. Alright, so after releasing one right here above the brake pedal, one back off in here, I don't know if I can catch it on camera, but it's back off in here right below this plastic piece. Make sure nothing's hooked up back in here. So it looks like you just got to pull down from that top right side. Then you've got this light for your feet. Just unplug that. Just like that, the panel is out. Alright, move that one out of the way. And so, right above the pedal, you have that little clip right there. Gotta unplug that. And you've got a male, or I guess they're both female, or no. This one's a male, this one's a female. And so the one let's see. The one you unplug goes to this. So the wire that you unplug goes to the open side, and then this side goes back to that box up there. Get back at it when we are done. So, as you can tell, it's a little hard. There's one plugged in right there. Now the one plugged back into that throttle response box. I'm not sure what the technical name for it is, but that's what we'll call it for this video. And then we've got it run right there. Let's get this panel back up and get a review. Alright guys, so we are currently in sport all the way up. Sensitive. Let's go ahead and turn off StabiliTrak. Guess I'm hitting the wrong button here. There we go. Traction control is all the way off. What the fuck? Bruh. That is fucking insane. Oh my god. That's all I got to say. That's pretty impressive. Wow. wasn't even really trying to drift. Damn, sliding everywhere. Woo! Not gonna lie, guys, pretty impressed with this so far. Oh my god, it's so sensitive. Barely hitting the gas, already sliding everywhere. Man. Woo. It's about half throttle. Man. Got the whole squad up in here. Just tested out the Pedal Commander, and I am actually thoroughly impressed by it. I actually didn't think it was gonna do that well, but yeah. So, in my opinion, 300 was still a little high for it, but I mean, the improved throttle response that you're getting from this thing, I mean, it is insane. I mean, it's hard for me to hit the gas at times because I'll spin, and this is only a 5.7, so it's not a 392 like Aaron's Challenger over there, but man, I'm actually thoroughly impressed by this thing. Would definitely recommend it to anybody who's looking for it and want to get a little bit better throttle response out of their vehicle without voiding the warranty. It was definitely quite the experience. I wasn't expecting to quite drift around that and burn tire smoke the way it did. That's really one of the few times that I've really tried to go wild, and it's for you guys, so really appreciate all y'all for all the support y'all have shown so far. This is going out not only for me and what I like to do, but also to give some good content to y'all guys. So if y'all could please like, subscribe, share it with anybody else that you know that likes cars, and have a wonderful day.